Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wednesday Tarot, and this is your September love and work forecast for Capricorns. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, rising sign, moon sign is in Capricorn, this reading is for you. If you know a Capricorn, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share, and join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot. To buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website www.magicqueenstarot.com. And friends, make sure to watch out the September pick a card readings. They have already done in Hindi, Urdu, and English versions. Both of them have been done. The Hindi, Urdu versions of the horoscopes have already been done in August. You can check that out. And the 2022 readings for the new year have started. So if you want to buy your own reading, friends, visit our website and message me there from there. So let us see, Capricorns, how your September will be. All right, success is coming your way. That's beautiful. September is gonna bring you success, awards, recognition. It also seems like success is going to bring you celebrations. Oh my God, that was intense. And look at that, Thunderbolt, the tower. So something is definitely a breakthrough is coming. Something is crumbling. Something is changing, shifting in your life, Capricorns. What is the theme of the month of September? Wow, your cards are really jumpy energies, huh? And look at that 10 of cups. So definitely family is very important to you, friends, in the month of September. Also security, emotional security, healing, health, all these things, and career success is very, very important. But the main theme of this month is some sort of a change, unexpected, suddenly will happen in your life. And I do feel it is a positive change, friends. It will take you forward in life and bring you in the future happiness, love, and joy. Let's clarify the tower. What is it about? Wow, a breakthrough is coming, friends. Definitely a breakthrough is coming. Look at that. Something that's been bothering you, some problems, some burdens, they are going to disintegrate and something better will take its place. So a breakthrough is going to happen for you, friends, and I do feel it will happen in the area of family, relationships, and health. So make sure to watch that out, friends. If you are having health issues, you will find some better solutions this month. Also, if you are struggling with a toxic relationship, a breakthrough is coming. So very nice, success is coming, love and peace is coming. So it's a powerful month for you, friends. A big breakthrough is coming for you, friends. It's a also be careful, friends, Capricorns, because something sudden or unplanned may also happen. Like, you will plan September, but it will happen in its own way. You can't plan September. Things will move in their own fashion. Like you want to go east, September will take you west because there is your happiness. So let's see your love life for Capricorns. I also see health issues will be resolved, friends. Yes, some of you are having health issues. Some of you are dealing with twin flame issues, twin flames, soulmates, marriages. And I'm dealing with this hot weather which refuses to get better. I don't know, it gets better, then it gets hot again. It gets better, then it gets hot again. I guess it's hot everywhere, like, in the world throughout, like the global temperatures are rising. It's kind of hot always, isn't it? If you are having pleasant weather, I think you are very lucky, friends. Very, very lucky. So count it in a blessing. Because I know what bad weather is. Seriously, ask me. It even affects I have never been avoiding my readings, but it gets so hot. It gets seriously hot, even with an AC on, and I'm like, what is happening? So everyone is this like, what's going on? Whew, global warming. So friends, let's see how your September will be. Let's pick the cards. Friends, you are dealing in the first week of September. You are really confused about what to do in your love life, which way to do, what is the right thing to do. Some of you may even be confused between two people or whether to love a person, stay with them, leave them. to focus on work or stay single. Some of you are definitely confused when you reach the first week of September. Yes, some of you are dealing with a person, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, who is keeping their feelings close to themselves. This person is in no contact with you. This person has blocked you, Capricorns. You're feeling very frustrated with this person, that why they keep doing this. Yeah, I do feel this person could be your twin flame or your other half. They could be somebody very important. I do feel this person and you need to balance. This connection is out of balance. Definitely in the first week of September, something needs to balance in this connection, or there is something out of balance in this connection, and you feel very lonely when you are with this person. Like, even if you are married, friends, in the first week of September, you may feel a little lonely, you may feel very emotional, you may feel like certain things are missing out of your life. So this is a kind of a confusing week for you, Capricorns. Try not to be too analyzing, too hard on yourself. Just take it as it is. Don't analyze it, or don't try to find perfection in first week of September. Otherwise, you're going to find it very difficult. Let's see the second week. The second week is very, very important for you, friends, because past life events are going to happen. Yes, some things are happening. Your love life is being affected by past life karma, friends. Your past life soulmates are coming, or you will, if you are single, you will meet somebody who is your soulmate, who has a destined future with you. So past life is very, very important in the second week. And yes, there is a soulmate coming for you. Your person misses you, missing you. They want to message you in the second week. And I do see that a rebirth will happen in this connection. If you guys are recovering from a heartache, yes, you will finally recover in the second week. If you guys are in no contact, there is a chance of a reunion happening with your person, and things getting better, healing happening in this connection in the second week. Let us see the third week. Wow, the third week is very, very important week, friends, because you finally realize that you and your person are two different people, and different expectations can also, people with differences can still live in harmony. So you will realize that, love is a leap of faith. You may win sometimes, you may lose in love sometimes, and it's perfectly okay. So somewhere for some of you, it is a new start coming for you in the third week of September, Capricorns. For others, yes, you will give this person another chance, and they might meet you face to face. This person could be a neighbor or someone who lives near you or works with you, so they might take you out on a date. They might put in some more efforts. I also see communications will be very, very high, friends, in the third week of September. So yes, good. Let us see the final week of September. Wow. Definitely, love is really, really high, friends, in the final week of September. Love is in the air, romance is in the air, and passions are running high. And not just that, you feel very connected to your partner, emotionally very, very attached, and you feel very safe also. Kindly excuse that, friends. Eight of Swords. Yeah, your partner finally feels like they are free out of a big mess. Whatever the past that was affecting your love life, Capricorns, you will feel it's finally lifting off. And yes, things are coming back to normal. Things are coming back to like love and peace, joy, and happiness. So it's a good month. It's a sudden month, but something sudden will happen. You have to keep that in mind, Capricorn. Not everything can be planned. That's life. Advice for Capricorns. So yes, memories of love. Advice for Capricorns. Truth and sacrifice. Wow, yeah, some things, your love life is standing still, or some situation is not moving forward in your love life. Some of you want to get settled down, get married, but things are not moving. It's frustrating, but there is a divine plan. There is a breakthrough that's going to happen. So trust in the process. Trust in the process. And see things from a different perspective. Yes, and some of you are missing somebody from the past. You really, really love that person. You want them back. Also, I feel like, you should be a little careful with your past longing, because you know maybe try to see the truth in your love life. Whatever it is, try to see the truth. The person, if they are, you have to understand that sometimes we can be illusionary in love. Try not to do that in September, friends. And try to, if things are slow, take it in your stride, Capricorns. Do not try to force things in your love life this month. It will only lead to destruction and not to peace. The way to peace is through love and harmony. Let's see your work and career. All right, exhaustion, conditioning, and healing. The King of Cups, the King of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and friendliness. Wow, friends, this is beautiful. I do feel some of you are definitely going to get a new work or a new project. You are definitely going to be rewarded with something, awarded. Some success is coming your way. I also feel some of you are going to enjoy the pace in your career, in your work, in your studies. You are like, yes, these things are going well. I enjoy it. I like it. Some of you may also start working on something that you always wanted to, like, maybe you start a YouTube channel, maybe you start singing, maybe you start learning some instruments. So it's very close to your heart, whatever you start in September. I also feel you will have good supportive colleagues and friends in the month of September, trustful people, people you can trust, people you can count on. Another thing I'm getting is, friends, your Capricorns, you're very, very obsessed about your work. You will take on much, much more work than you need to, and it will lead to exhaustion, health issues, mental burden also, or some sort of like lack of sleep will happen. You will feel pressurized. So try not to overdo your work. Try not to bring your worries, into night. I do feel you don't feel like sleeping, or you will have trouble in sleeping, Capricorns, in the month of September. And I'm sorry for that, because you are obsessed with your work, with your studies. Another thing is, your head and heart will be in two different places, Capricorns. One day you feel like your work is going well, the other day your heart tells you, nah, it's not going well. Then your mind tells you, oh, all is well. Then your heart tells you, nothing is well. So you have confusing emotions when it comes to your work, but I think you are doing well. This month money will be flowing in, and you will find a lot of support, easy success, easy luck in your work. Just try to keep your expectations a bit low from yourself, friends. Don't try to be hard on yourself, Capricorns. Don't beat yourself, don't overwork yourself. If possible, try and relax, because it can affect your health. It can affect your heart also, friends, your heart's health. I feel some of you are working so much that you have no time to realize your heart needs your health, needs your support. You need to take a break and take care of your mental body, your emotional, physical body, your heart, your well being. Do not overwork, friends. Capricorns, I feel you will overwork in September. Absolutely. Even if you are a student, you're going to work hard, but I don't think it's necessary. I mean, you can work, you will force yourself. I don't know why, but you will. Manifestations. See, you can manifest everything, friends. You don't need to push or break a wall or break a castle or break the earth to get your wishes. You just need to ask and it will happen. Oh my God, look at that. Spiritual growth. So definitely this is a month of spiritual progress for you. A breakthrough is coming. This is a month of breakthroughs, manifestations, answered prayers. What else? Taking a leap of faith. Yes, my God, whatever you want will happen, friends. Yes, the answer is yes. I do see a legal victory happening for some of you also, friends. Some sort of a legal victory, like some court cases you will win. Alright, let's extra cards for Capricorns. Oh my God, all cards wanna come out today. Can we have few cards, please, angels? Okay. Okay, let's take them. I think it's enough. Whew. So some of you could also be getting married this month, friends, and out of the blue, like without knowing, without planning, it just happens and you are like, what? Things are working out finally. So yes, your worries are temporary. Do not worry. Kangaroo, unsettled times. Yeah, something unexpected will happen. This is a month where planning fails and the divine comes in. Happiness will definitely happen. Someone is behaving stupidly, yeah. Get back to the basics, yeah. Don't try to overdo things, Capricorns. A man is important. Dealings or relationships with friendships are very important. Great worry over nothing, yeah. Don't worry too much. Solid foundation and success with effort is coming. Skills, yes, keep your life in balance. Balance is the key, Capricorns. An arrogant, boastful person you should not cross. Yes, there are people who are arrogant around you, Capricorn. You may also be a little fixed when it comes to your ideas, preferences. Try to stay fluid. Towards spiritual development, enlightenment. This is a month of spiritual breakthroughs for you. I don't know what's happening with everybody, but a lot of people are growing spiritually, and I think it's very necessary for the times we are in collectively as a world, friends. All of us are going through a spiritual tower movements and at the same time a spiritual rebirth. This is what we have decided collectively as humanity together. So this is happening on earth right now, friends. We'll talk about it some other time. If I make videos on it, I don't know what will happen, seriously. I mean, I can, but we will. Let's see what spirit says. Family sorrow, yeah, there might be some issues. But yeah, look at that. Marriage is coming. For some of you, marriage will happen out of the blue. For others, a commitment will happen or some sort of a deal is coming. A deal will be sealed. So that's it for now, Capricorns. Happy Septembers. Like, share, subscribe. Magic Wens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. And this is Mystic C saying bye bye.